This week we've been learning about solving problems and not using blaming words. So we're trying to identify what blaming words are. When you say words like you always, always is a blaming word. You never, never is a blaming word. Um, you made me, that is a blame. Because of you, that is a blame. It's your fault, that is a blame. So today we're going to play a game called Sentence Switcheroo. This is a really real listening game. You're going to have to listen to me very carefully. So I'm going to explain the rules of the game. You're going to listen to me read a problem statement, and I'm going to read it 2 times, but I'm going to switch it around the first time. There are 3 rules for you to follow. Number 1, if there is a different blaming word the second time I read it, you are going to sit down. So we're all going to start by standing up. And I'm going to read a statement twice. If the first time there's going to be a blaming word in there. If I say it the second time and there is another blaming word in there, a different blaming word, you're going to sit down. If there is no blaming words the second time, you're going to reach up high to the sky because we're going to be happy. Yay, no blaming words. And if there are no words that are different, if I did not change anything, then you're going to keep standing. Okay, so that is the rules. So here we go. Everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Okay, my first statement is, she always hogs the red ball. Now my second time I'm going to say, she always hogs the red ball. If I said the same thing, you're going to keep standing. If I used a different blaming word, you're going to sit down. And if I did not use any blame, you're going to reach up high. So what are you doing? I hope you're just standing tall because I didn't change a single thing that first time. Okay, here we go. Here's our second statement. Listen carefully. I'm going to say 2 statements, the first one and the second one. Here goes. You made me spill my juice. Here's the second one. I spilled my juice because of you. What are you doing? Are you standing, reaching high, or sitting? I hope that you are sitting because I used blame in both of those. It was different, but they were still blaming. Okay, this next one, are you ready? Here we go. We lost the book because of you. That's my first statement. My second statement, we lost the book. Are you standing? Are you sitting? Or reaching high? I hope you're reaching high because we're not blaming. That second statement just said, we lost the book. It didn't say a blame word. So you should be reaching high. Okay, our game is over. Thank you for playing the game with me. Remember, try hard not to blame. Use blame words when you are going through the day and when you have a problem, because when you use blame words, it makes everybody madder and more upset, and it doesn't help solve the problem.